To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
India's markets regulator is pushing fund houses to popularize monthly investments as low as 250 rupees, or $3, to expand the reach of equity investing in the world's most populous country. The Securities and Exchange Board of India is looking to introduce simpler customer identification rules and lower costs as it aims to popularize small-ticket investments via mutual funds, for sources familiar with the discussions said. About 225 million investors currently invest via systematic investment plans, SIP, but a majority are from big cities. Introducing bite-sized SIPs would help take financial investments to smaller towns, which will give fund houses new markets to expand to. India's securities regulator has ordered asset managers disclose the information ratio of equity mutual funds on a daily basis for greater transparency. The ratio is a metric to measure risk-adjusted returns of a financial asset or portfolio. The move is to bring more transparency in disclosures made by asset management companies and aid better decision-making by investors, according to the regulator. European asset managers are following their US counterparts in pulling back on a public show of climate action while still quietly assessing risks and new regulations, fund managers, lawyers, and consultants told the Financial Times. When a group of investors met this month to discuss putting pressure on Shell at an upcoming annual meeting over its oil and gas growth strategy, there was a notable absence of the asset managers who had joined in filing climate resolutions in the past, those present said. Across Europe, leading managers were taking cautious approach and tiptoeing around socially responsible investing matters, following Donald Trump's election as president and right-wing campaigns against so-called environmental, social, and governance investing over the past year. Bursa Malaysia Berhad chairman Tan Sri Abdul Wahid Omar has called for ASEAN nations to adopt a common time zone of GMT+8 to foster greater economic integration across the region. Among the 10 member countries, 4 have fully adopted GMT+8, aligned with China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau, and Western Australia, according to the chairman of the local stock exchange. Another 4 countries, namely Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam, are currently on GMT+7, while Myanmar uses GMT+6.30. Indonesia, on the other hand, utilizes multiple time zones, with Central Indonesia using GMT+8, Western Indonesia, including Jakarta, GMT+7, and East Indonesia GMT+9. China said it will guide big state insurers and commercial insurance funds to increase investments in the A-share market in a latest move to boost its lagging stock market. Under a plan jointly released by 6 financial regulators, including the securities regulator, big state-owned insurance companies will be directed to raise both the size and proportion of their investments in Chinese stocks listed on the mainland and equity funds. The regulators will implement a long-term performance evaluation for state-owned insurance companies, with the annual return on equity weighted no more than 30% of the evaluation and at least 60% for a longer 3 to 5 year cycle. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry, exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.